Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SpringerLink, access journals and research articles step by step clearly. Visit the official SpringerLink website in your preferred web browser. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one to access journals and research articles. To create a new account, look for the option that says Register or Sign Up. Click on that option to open the registration form. Fill in all necessary information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to read and accept any terms and conditions. Once you have completed the form, click the Register or Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation link from SpringerLink. Click on the link to verify your account. After verifying, return to the login page. Enter your email and password to log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, you can search for journals and research articles using the search bar. Use filters to refine your search results based on topics, publication years, or article types. Select any article or journal from the search results to access its content. You can read abstracts and download full-text articles if your institution has a subscription. If you encounter access issues, check with your institution for potential access rights. You are now ready to explore the vast collection of knowledge available on SpringerLink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.